Hi, welcome to another healthy tea recipe. This time we're focusing on fresh Rroselle hibiscus flowers. These are absolutely amazing. The rubbery, actually they're losing a little bit of the rubbery feel now, but they're absolutely delicious. Real bright colour and a much fresher taste as well compared to the normal dried hibiscus that you'll find. So if you ever get the chance to get fresh, or if you can grow it even, definitely do it. It's really worth doing. It's fantastic fresh. So this is my last batch, so I want to keep it respectful to the hibiscus today, so we're not going to add too many flavours. What we are going to add is some organic lemon. It's not a particularly good organic lemon. As you can see, it's not very yellow. I'm just going to squeeze the juice of that in. I'm not going to throw the whole thing in. Then we've got some finger root, which is new to me. I was actually asking, yes, in Thai. So she just thought I was asking for what it is. So it's a new thing to try anyway. It's got plenty of health benefits. It's kind of like ginger light. I'm not a big fan of ginger in these colder teas. I would only have ginger root normally in a hot turmeric tea. So this is just going to add a little bit of that, those health benefits you get, like anti-inflammation from ginger, without a heavy taste. And then finally on the right, I couldn't resist adding a heaped teaspoon of Jiaogulan, the longevity herb. My wife and I have had noticeable health benefits from having that most days. So I like to include that as often as possible. So I'm going to give everything a quick rinse. I'm going to add it to my cafetiere French press with boiling water. I'm going to let it cool a bit. Then I'm going to make up a pitcher of 2 litres of water and put it in the fridge. And then I'll serve it with ice. And I'll show you that finished result soon. And once I've done that, I will boil the water again and also do a second steep. You'll definitely get a lesser flavoursome second steep, but it's definitely worth doing. Once you've had a couple of glasses, you can top up your pitcher later on in the day. Okay? Okay, this is the finished product. So I steeped the tea for about 45 minutes, then I added cold water and made up 2 litres. The taste is beautiful, and then I added the lemon, squeezed it in afterwards, and it didn't change the colour as normally it would. So maybe with a normal lemon it would do that. This is quite a light coloured organic lemon. It's a bit weird, to be honest with you. We won't be getting it again. But yeah, the hibiscus is the dominating taste. The lemon gives it a little bit of sort of a refreshing citrus taste, and overall this is a really healthy and delicious tea. Perfect for summer, perfect for winter I think as well, because it's got the vitamin C in it if you've got a cold. So there you go, enjoy. This is a good recipe.